Hey, it's Zena, and I want to review this heated wrist support pad from Cameco. So I do suffer from joint pain every once in a while, especially my wrist. And if you're a person like me who loves heat to your area that feels painful, then you're gonna love this. So this is adjustable. It does fit on either arm, and you tighten it like so. So it's wrapped nice and tight, and then you would plug this in into an outlet, and you can adjust the heat higher or lower, and then the time. So it does automatically shut after 30 seconds. However, you can make it for less, or you can just restart it. So it does plug into here, and you do need it to be plugged in order to heat. So if you're working at your desk and, or watching TV, whatever, in a stationary area, this is great. And then if you just want the support, you're walking around, you can also just disconnect it here, and then it's more mobile for you to walk around. So it isn't as flexible for bending, but you can still have all the usage of your fingers, and it helps you keep your arms straight, which sometimes that's what you want, and it just has that support over here, but not much over in your fingers area. And it does come with this inner piece, so just to protect your arm and fully wrap it. To change it left to right, you just switch it to your other thumb. So overall, it's a nice thick quality, a really nice material, and it heats up really, really well. And I love that you can control the amount of heat that it gets. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me for my review.